For the past few days, I have been having problem with broken audio in my IC2730A radio. There was some fraying at the either end of the mic cable, and I had tried to mend it by putting insulation tape over that, but it has not worked. I removed the insulation tape today. The wires seem to be okay except for the shield which has come out on one side, but I have no experience of working with these things. One of my friends told me that the connections are similar to the LAN cable, but I'll have to read about it more before I try a LAN cable instead of this cable, because if there is something wrong with the connections, I might end up bricking my radio as well. So anyone who has any experience repairing these type of cables, please do put in as a comment so that I can try my luck. The radio is not very old. It was bought in 2023 only. So it's not time for the radio to get damaged by itself. So I would like to get help from you all.